Alright, hello everyone and welcome back to Daily Update on my 1000 Days Challenge. This is day 759, so let's get things started. Alright, so first and foremost, in terms of equity balance wise, everything still remains the same. What I mentioned, I did have a $300 loss, but other than that, no other major update. But other than that, if you're looking in terms of a market structure update itself, overall today is Monday, there's only in terms of crypto market close itself. So on the weekly chart, we definitely closed on the second consecutive kind of bearish candlestick, which is kind of expected seemingly because previously we closed below the 200 simple moving average on the weekly chart, which is definitely not something we want to see. But of course, right now the question is, will this bottom hold itself, which is the 19K region itself? So tentatively, I still do think that we could potentially form a downside towards the 16K region itself. But right now, we seem to have somewhat like a dead cat bounce, which is quite a little bit unexpected because you can see that the S&P 500 actually opened today and we are still leaning a little bit towards the downside. But on the other hand, Bitcoin actually had a very decent climb of 3%. So yeah, that's definitely something to take note of course. Definitely something that we do want to see. But of course, if we look in terms of Saturday and Sunday, we did sort of actually fall in that range. So not exactly, I would say, bullish in that sense just as well. Yeah, if we look in terms of how much we fall over the weekend itself, that would be 3.38%. So tentatively, I guess we're still relatively similar to S&P 500. It's just that we have the weekend that has dropped and then this is now being compensated. So let's see how things goes. Definitely, we do see that there's potential kind of double bottom formation over here, and then we need to a potential bounce. The question is, how strong will this downside be to lead to even further downside momentum, or will we potentially face a bounce itself? So for me on the 4-hour chart, what I'm actually trying to do, what I intend to do for Bitcoin, be Ethereum itself, I will actually be trading within this 20 exponential moving average for 4-hour chart. As long as we're not able to close above it, I will still stick to this short side trade. If, however, the price closes above it, then I'll close my remainder 50% of my open position on Ethereum itself. So with that said, I've come to the end of today. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop by your comments below. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.